BC. I'm here at Las Perlas, and I'm going to show you how to make a single margarita. So we're going to start off with getting ice in our tin. We're going to fill the tin about halfway up, so that way it'll fill the glass completely. And then what we do here at Las Perlas to make our margaritas, we use 2 ounces of tequila. Today we're going to be using Espolón. It's a reposado. We're going to use 2 ounces. 2 ounces is about an 8 count. We're going to use 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. That's a 4 count. Then we're going to use a ½ ounce of Royal Cambier. You can use Royal Cambier or you can use any orange liqueur. So we'll do ½ ounce. And ½ ounce of our agave nectar for sweetness. Take away that tartness. Then we're going to take our tin, shake this bad boy up. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Once shaken, pour right into the glass. Have your napkin down. That looks delicious. And we're just going to take our lime to garnish, put it right on top. Some straws so that way it makes it easy to sip. And behold, your Las Perlas Margarita. My name is BC, and again, I'm here for Las Perlas, downtown LA, tequila and mezcal bar with a craft cocktail added on for a twist.